Hi guys, so today we are making vanilla ice cream, and before starting the video, do subscribe, like, share and comment as well. And trust me, this ice cream is made from only 2 ingredients. And now let's dig into the recipe. The ingredients you will need are whipping cream sachet and the amount of the ingredients I have written. Then I'm using electric whisker or a beater. With that, I have got here sweetened condensed milk and then half cup of milk which is cold, or we can say it as chilled milk. Then I've got a chilled bowl that is kept in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and the most important of all, plastic wrap. And now let's just start making this ice cream. In a chilled bowl, I'm adding whipping cream sachet. With that, I'll add cold milk or chilled milk. And now I'll start whisking it or beating it up. And guys, you have to beat it up until it makes stiff peaks. Now what are stiff or firm peaks? When you lift up the beater, the stiff peaks actually shows that they are curled up at the end. They shouldn't leave the spoon or the beater for so long. And now as you can see, they are still not stiff peaks, so I'm beating it at a high speed, and it took me around 10 minutes to beat it up. At normal speed, it might take 15 to 20 minutes. And now at the end, I'll show you that it doesn't leave the beater or the spoon that I'm using. Look, over here I lifted it up and look, there are curls and it's not leaving the spatula very easily. And now after that, I will add condensed milk and make sure it is sweetened condensed milk. And I made this condensed milk at home. If you want the recipe, just comment below. I'll provide the recipe to you in nearly a few days. Now gently you have to fold it, because if you don't do it gently, then the stiff peaks will get destroyed, and also it will affect the ice cream. How? It will create a lot of crystals in your ice cream. And now here guys, the most important part. I actually have air glass containers, but I want to make this video for those who don't have air glass containers, how they can make ice cream at home without air glass containers. They can use plastic wrap and tightly wrap it up. Here I'm showing that how I wrapped it up. I actually wrapped it for about like 4 times. And after that it was done, and then you guys have to just freeze it for about 8 hours. I have perfectly wrapped it up, and now guys, you just have to keep it in the freezer for about 8 hours. Now just sit back, enjoy and do whatever you want in your spare time. Until then, wait for this ice cream to get freezed up, and then you will be so much shocked that it just tastes like, it will taste much better from the one that we purchase, and it will be made by you. Now just sit back and enjoy. Now guys, after 8 hours, I'm going to just unlock it, unleash it. And now as you can see, it's taking me a lot of time because I wrapped it so tightly. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment as well, so that you can easily get our latest uploads whenever we come up with a new one. Finally I did it. Finally. Now I'm just taking a scooper to scoop it up. And now as you can see, it just took me very little force to scoop, because it was so soft, it was so tasty, and also it didn't have any crystals. Due to crystals, it gets very hard for us people to scoop it up, right? So I just freed for about 8 hours, and as you can see, there are no crystals. I showed it to you. There are no crystals at all. And now just scoop it down and just serve it to your guests or to yourself. And now garnish it with chocolate syrup or caramel syrup as well, or garnish with any syrup you like. It looks so tempting, so tempting, so tempting. And before ending up the video, do subscribe, like, share and comment as well, so that you can easily get our latest uploads.